Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, that's great. Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make chicken stock. Yeah, man, I ate. So you know how we team song already, can you just hear it? Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way. I wonder why. Here I have a jug of water which is 2 liters. And when I'm done with this chicken stock, it's going to reduce to 1 liter or less. So follow me and see what I want. If you remember quite clearly, I have a video up, which you can check the link above, where I showed you how to debone and stuff a chicken. So this is what I have from my previous videos. I freeze it, and now I'm going to be using this to make a chicken stock. So first and foremost, this is what we have to do to make the stock. So I have here all my vegetables that I'm going to be using for the stock. 2 carrots. Mind you, these are already washed thoroughly. Just going to go in with them with the skin and everything on. Don't have to be too small. Toss those in. And 2 stalks of celery. Straight in with that. I have here a stalk of leek. Just cut a small portion from that. Half of an onion. The skin and everything on our onion. I'm going to go in with a tomato. Chef tip, when you buy tomato at the store, ensure to get the ones with the stems. That way your tomato stays fresher for longer. I'm going to go in with half the tomato. Toss that in. Some fresh thyme. And of course our chicken carcass. So for the stock we're using bones. And we're going to go in with about half a tablespoon of salt to add a little flavor to that. And then in 2 liters of water. You just want the water enough to cover everything. We're going to put this on maximum heat to come to a boil, and then we're going to reduce our heat to medium and let it slow cook to extract all the flavor from our vegetables and our chicken bone. But as we progress, I'm going to show you how we get our stock to be nice and clear. So forward to the stove top. So once it boils up all these debris, you just get a ladle and a bowl and you skim that from the top as you go. Your stock doesn't need 3 hours to cook. Once you get that flavor from the chicken and the vegetables, you're good to go. Some people may argue, some may say, okay, I will boil it 2 times to get the maximum flavor. You got all that flavor already from the first batch. And look at all those debris. I'm putting it right down to 6. Slow cook for 30 minutes. After which I'll show you exactly what it looks like. So our half an hour is now over, and as you can see the drastic reduction in our water into a nice flavorful stock. Just going to remove this off the stove top, take away the vegetables and all the bones, and strain this and show you what it looks like. So there it is. We have all that flavor out. You can even eat a piece of this. And there you have it. Chicken stock made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, safe travel for the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
See you on a dinner for later. Show me the part that make me start so speed. But know if you use the meat and control you, so that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.